This video will provide you with a tutorial on how to use the scheduling function of WriteMD. This is our appointments window. On the left-hand side, you can see our patient label, where we're going to enter details about the appointment, our providers and resources list. In the middle is all of our appointments for today. As you can see, they're color-coded depending on the status of the appointment. On the right-hand side, we have our patient sticky notes. These will follow the patient throughout the program, and they're easily edited just by clicking on them. At the top of the window, we have a physician's banner and a patient's banner. If we click these, they'll reveal more information, such as the physician's phone number, or the patient's phone number, address, allergies. We can click to hide that. To make an appointment, first we're going to select the time, and then we're going to begin typing in the patient's name. I'm just going to type in a few letters from his first and last name and click enter. And that'll bring up our patient search, where I'll select the patient and click OK. Now we have the option to choose a category. We could choose a procedure, the duration of the appointment, referring MD. We could enter an authorization number, a reason, or additional comments. Then I'm going to click enter, and you can see that the appointment's been generated here in the time that we had selected. I can change the status of this appointment by right-clicking on it. I can choose to confirm, unconfirm, check in, check out, or mark the appointment missed or canceled. If the patient calls to cancel their appointment, we can choose canceled. We can choose to reschedule the appointment for a date and time in the future. We can choose patient will call, reminder mailed, or we can type in our own, and we can add additional comments. And you can see when I've done that, the appointment's changed color, and there's a note here letting us know that this appointment was canceled. Appointments can be easily moved with the drag and drop feature to change their times. Currently reviewing the schedule for only one provider. However, if we go back to our user list, we can select more than one provider. We could also select a resource, and you'll see that those have populated here in the top of our scheduler. I can go back and forth between these, or I can choose to view all. We can also use the drag and drop feature here to change appointments from one provider to the next, or put them into a resource, like so. And the last thing I'd like to show you on this screen are the tasks and messages. From here, we can create a new task for our provider. We could also send a message to the provider from here.